I'm about to tell you a story so sad. Young James Crozier, he was only a lad. Just 16, no much more than a wean. He joined the crowds to share in their fame. Among the throngs, the Ulster's finest, he signs up to fight, to serve as king and do what is right. He's too young to serve, but he'll fin away. His ma pleads, cries, and begs him to stay. Then a fine gentleman with the same surname said no to worry, he'd look after her wean. So off James goes to fight the Great War, shipped off to Flanders to the muck and glare. With the Royal Irish Rifles he ends up at the Somme, where his head is tortured by bullets and bomb. Then yon fateful night he had all he could take. His young tormented mind, it began to break. Abandoning his post, off he went, dazed and confused, donners into a hospital tent. For the horror of war it knows nae bounds, the psychological terror of the battlegrounds. His mind is broke, but there's nae sympathy for his plight. A quick exam, and he's deemed fit to fight. Charged with cowardice for laying his post, nae understanding that his mind he had lost. Cruel and unjust the sentence James got, by his own comrades at dawn to be shot. And the very man who promised to take care of young James rubber stamped the slaughter of yet another of Ulster's weans. To dull his senses he's filled with strong drink, so upon his dark fate he couldn't think. Carried to the place where he'd take his last breath, tied up like a dog to face his death. His brothers in arms stand and take aim, but can they really shoot a lad fae back hame? They fire off a volley all missing their mark, and so a young officer is left to send him into the dark. Pulls out his pistol and puts it to James's chest, squeezes the trigger, murdering any Ulster's best. And so young James died for his king, but for him there's nae piper and nae songs they could sing. So whenever you're tempted to think that war is all glory, remind yourselves of young James Crozier's story.